Hello, SolidCAM staff, resellers, customers, and prospects. Nice to meet you again. Today, I want to talk about an important subject. SolidCAM 2021 SP4 version is our best and greatest version, and we will be so happy that every SolidCAM customer and every new SolidCAM customer will get it and enjoy it. Let me talk a few words about SolidCAM Today, where it stands. We call SolidCAM Today the platform for CNC manufacturing because in addition, obviously, to our CAM product that is seamlessly integrated and associative to SolidWorks and Inventor, we have now additional products. We have our shop floor editor and simulator, which is a great tool for the CNC machine tool operator who wants to see a simulation of the CAM part and even sometimes do some editing of it before generating the G-code and sending it to the CNC machine. And next, as you know, we have integrated the Cimco Edit Professional inside the SolidCAM, so that now for you who want to have an additional check of the G-code before you send it to the CNC machine, you can do a backplot and simulation. It's a powerful tool and it will help you be more secure in your work before sending the G-code to the CNC machine. Next, we are now offering a complete solution for mold makers. Why? Because we are pushing now those add-ins called SplitWorks, MoldWorks, ElectrodeWorks from company RMB. These are completely integrated inside SolidWorks, and they offer tools for mold design and electrode design. Powerful tool for any mold maker. Obviously, SolidCAM machining will finish the machining of the mold as usual. Another product that we are launching is SolidFlow, which is a product for optimum scheduling of CNC jobs. Each one of you has so many machines and so many CNC jobs, and SolidFlow will enable you to do the optimal scheduling so that all your CNC jobs are not late and are ready in time. We will have shortly a webinar about the SolidFlow. Attend it. Last but not least, we are launching soon our Solid Metal interactive marketplace for CNC machine jobs that will enable every SolidCAM customer who is on subscription and with iMachining to put his data in the Solid Metal marketplace so that buyers from all over the world can find him and give him the work. But as I said, only if a SolidCAM customer is on subscription and with iMachining, because if we are going to offer the services of our customers to worldwide buyers, we must make sure that they have our latest and greatest tools, our latest version, and our iMachining great technology. And by the way, SolidCAM customers will join the marketplace free of charge, and we will market this marketplace every place in the world where buyers are looking for manufacturers to do their CNC jobs. So if you are in one country, you could find buyers from another country, or you could find buyers from your same country. It's a worldwide marketplace. I always like, again, to summarize in one sentence what is SolidCAM. It's the complete, easy to learn and to use, I am sure that we all agree on this, with revolutionary iMachining, and with the best multi-channel, multi-turn, and Swiss CNC machining support, seamlessly integrated and associative in SolidWorks and Inventor. And we always repeat that it is the one CAM solution for all your CNC machines, from your 3D mills, simultaneous 5-axis mills, your mill turn, advanced mill turn, and Swiss type machines. We are today all over the world at tens of thousands of international customers, from small and medium job shops, medium-sized engineering and manufacturing companies, and large aerospace and automotive companies. You can look at these names and see typical names from every kind of industry and country, including aerospace, automotive, machine design, electronics, medical, optics, military, consumer, energy, production shop, mold tool and die, prototyping, and obviously technical educations. We have about 70,000 seats in technical education worldwide. We have also excellent cooperation today with technology cooperation partners, including both cutting tool and CNC machine tool manufacturers. For example, we have now excellent cooperation with Kennametal and Vidia worldwide. We have cooperation with Hoffmann Group, Göring, Mappal from Germany, also with Iskar. We have cooperation with machine tool manufacturers now that we are targeting the Citizen and Star Swiss machines, and we have also relationship with others from the Swiss type machines. QuickTech, that's a Milton company. Haas, everybody knows Haas. We have cooperation with them in many places in the world. The Grob, we have cooperation also with them. They are a German company. Alsmetal, also we have one of their machines in our technology centers, and OKK in Japan. And we are increasing this cooperation all the time with cutting tool and machine tool manufacturers. In every presentation, I never forget to talk about iMachining, both 2D and 3D, with its unbelievable cycle time savings and unmatched tool life extension. You know, our competitors, they say they have something similar to iMachining. So let's see what they have and how they stand against iMachining. I'm talking about VoluMill, which is integrated in many of our competitors, Dynamic Mill of Mastercam, Adaptive Roughing of EnixCAM, Profit Milling from Esprit, and TrueMill from SolidCAM. Let's see how they compare with our iMachining. First of all, iMachining has 7 patents, and none of the others have patents except TrueMill. But you know, as TrueMill, as part of SolidCAM, is not getting anywhere lately, with SolidCAM being bought and sold so many times. The main technological approach of iMachining and its uniqueness is that we guarantee constant cutting force on the tool and constant spindle load. How we are able to achieve that? Because at every point of the tool path, we can change the cutting angle and change the feed. So if the cutting angle increases, we reduce the feed and vice versa. In this way, we guarantee always constant cutting force. And also, we have the maximum morphed spirals than any of our competitors, and this is the most efficient tool path. And we have the best thin wand handling, a very important aspect. Now comes one of our major advantages, the technology wizard. Because we are able to guarantee constant force on the tool, the technology wizard provides optimum feeds and speeds for every type of stock material, cutting tool, or machine tool parameters. The only thing that the customer should do is define the level of cutting intensity he wants. And everything else is calculated automatically by the wizard. None of our competitors have any wizard similar to that. They might take some option and call it wizard, but it is not the technology wizard of iMachining. And because of the wizard, we have the shortest possible learning curve, because so much automation is provided by the technology wizard that the customer can learn iMachining very quickly. In all our benchmarks against competitors, we have shown that we have the best and shortest cycle time, and we are the only technology of its type that provide the complete process for prismatic parts, including roughing, rest roughing, and finish. And if we take all the advantages together, we can guarantee first part success, a very important point. SolidCAM 2021 has a few major highlights. I will go through them quickly. First of all, we have a new completely tool table called Toolkit. Powerful, and none of our competitors has anything similar to it. We have launched a new SolidCAM simulator. Amazing graphics. You'll see it now. I'll show some slides. And we have enhancements in all SolidCAM modules. First, let me show a few things about our new toolkit. It has great value for all customers, especially for customers of mill-turn and Swiss-type machines. The new toolkit let us represent all needed tooling system parts, both separately and as a commonly used combinations. And also the new toolkit supports multi-body holders and multi-tool assemblies, as you see here in the figure in this slide. As I said, the toolkit is important for advanced mill-turn and Swiss-type customers. Here you see the use of the toolkit in Swiss-type machines. We provide modular machine setup. We define machine setup with modules. We easily move modules from one station to the other, and we store your machine setup in libraries, as you see here in these figures. Also, we can build tool assemblies with downloaded modules from your preferred online resource, such as Machining Cloud, ISCAR, Kennametal, or any other tool manufacturer's website. All tool manufacturers are now creating cloud-based databases of their tools, and also holder companies are doing that. So it's very important to be able to download these data and create an assembly. And we can give you a visualization of the tool item and its schematic position relative to the machine coordinate system and in connection with the machine devices. A very nice way to see the tool in its natural surrounding. Our new simulator we are very proud of it. We worked several years on it, and as you see here, the graphics of this new simulator are amazing. We see some pictures from mill-turn and the Swiss type, and also here in 3D milling. It not only has great graphics, it has new features that we never had in our simulation, including going backwards, many other new functions. Also, we have enhanced our turning simulation. We can now show the holder 2D shape in the turning simulation to avoid part and holder collisions. And as we said, we are the best for Swiss type and advanced mill-turn. So we have great simulation with our multi-channel SolidCAM simulator. As you see here in the picture, on the left we show the synchronization table, and on the right we show the actual cutting. And obviously we have today the perfect solution for multi-turret and multi-spindle CNC machines with ultimate programming ease of use, flexibility and configurability. We simply are much better than any other system in the market to support this type of CNC machine, including doing the post-processor for them. And so we obviously completely support all Swiss type machines, including multi-channel synchronization. We provide easy programming for complex mill-turn and Swiss type CNC machines with multi-turret and multi-spindle. All milling and turning operations, including eye machining, are available for the programming of the mill-turn machines. In addition, we have excellent MCOs, machine control operations, that enable the user to insert control operations while manufacturing a part, a very needed option. And obviously, in a mill-turn part, we can use eye machining 2D and 3D to save both programming time, cycle time, and increase tool life. Why do Swiss type users need CAM today, while in the past a lot of programming was done on the controller? Because parts are becoming more complex. The Swiss machines are getting also more complex. So programming and managing sync codes and axis patterns for multi-channel machines is very hard today to do right on the controller. And because of all this complexity, simulation and verification of toolpath is essential, something you don't get if you are doing hand programming. Also, I could tell you that today, as more and more Swiss machines are used in machine shops, it's difficult to find Swiss type programmers who can programmed by G-code. So by having SolidCAM Swiss type modules, the programmer can work significantly faster, more safely because of the simulation, and obviously become much more productive. Here's an example of customers who use SolidCAM in their Swiss type machines. Company called Bioline Implants that make dental implants. They have Nextern and Hanorama Swiss machines, 8 machines. And they tried 2 of our competitors, GipsCAM, then Esprit. They were not happy in the end with SolidCAM. Now they are doing several parts every week on their Swiss machines. We have today post-processors for all types of Swiss CNCs. I mentioned already Star and Citizen. We have also for Tsugami, Nomura, DMG, Nextern, Tornos, Index, Traub, Hanwha, and others. The same power we have with regular milling and mill turn, we have it in the Swiss type machine. We are able to provide the best post-processors for each brand and customize to each customer. This is our strength. We can customize to how the customer wants to have the G-code, something our competitors cannot do because they usually try to provide post-processors from headquarters and they cannot really optimize it and customize it to the every customer need. Some other areas where we had improvements, our Turbo HSR HSM, we have now 64-bit calculation and multi-core support. So the speed of the calculation increases as number of cores increase, and we have also faster recalculation. In simultaneous 5-axis, where we have also amazing functionality, we have added multi-axis machining. The multi-axis toolpath can be used to rough out and finish pocket shapes geometries in full 5-axis, a very nice feature. We support the new generation of circle end mills in 5-axis. Today, tool manufacturers promise up to 90% reduction in machining time when using circle end mills, and we support all shapes of this circle end mills. We added a function in SolidCAM called edge trimming, and we do it if the parts require edge trimming operation to get their final shape. Also, we have a very new nice function called edge breaking, because sometimes you find burrs caused by the tool, and the SolidCAM edge breaking toolpath automatically detects these edges that have the burrs and creates a deburring toolpath. This is a replacement for a manual process that can take a long time. Here it's done automatically with the edge breaking function. Also, we have a new function called Auto 3+2 roughing. It creates 3+2 roughing toolpaths automatically on all sides of the part. So, to summarize, as I said from the start, SolidCAM 2021 SP4 is our best and greatest version. It's the result of decades of customer-centric developments. Let's again summarize all the advantages. Our seamless and associative integration with the main CAD product SolidWorks and Inventor. We are the easiest to learn and to use CAM system. We have the most advanced tool table in the CAM field, as you saw, I showed it. We offer the unique and amazing revolutionary high machining technology that nobody else has, although they say they do. We have shown you that we have today the most advanced and graphically pleasing simulation in the CAM field with the most options. Again, our easily customized and best processors, post-processors in the CAM world, supported by experienced technical people who can use it, our tools for customizing the post-processors. So, and as I said from the start, we have a complete CAM solution for all CNC machine types, especially for the fastest growing niche of multi-channel advanced mill turn CNCs, including Swiss type, where we provide today the absolute best CAM solution. In addition, we are providing important complementary solutions, the shop floor editor and simulator for the operators, the Cimco Edit integration, and the Solid Metal Interactive Marketplace for our customers who have subscription and have high machining. So as the last slide, SolidCAM Today is the most excellent and tested CAM product, seamlessly integrated and associative to the SolidWorks model and Inventor model also. We are the best in cutting metal for all CNC machine brands, including the most complex ones. So, in the end, SolidCAM2021 SP4 is a great version, and every SolidCAM customer should get it by being on valid subscription. We wish you the best year 2022.